Welcome back to our PSJ ISD Professional Learning Series. I am Valentin Guerra, one of your District Instructional Technology Integration Specialists. So far, we've decoded the definitions of BL and PL and launched our functional agendas. Today, we dived into the results phase. We are looking at student data binders and data-driven instruction routines that make student growth visible and actionable for every learner. Today's session focuses on strategies 3 and 4, assessment, feedback, and data routines. In a high-fidelity PSJA classroom, data isn't something that just lives in the teacher's gradebook. It is a live resource used by the student themselves. Through our data-driven routines and data binders, we provide the real-time feedback loop necessary for students to understand exactly where they are and exactly what they need to master next. In a traditional classroom, the teacher holds the data in a locked gradebook or a private portal. But in a personalized PSJA classroom, the student holds the data. Data binders are the physical evidence of student agency. They shift the conversation from "what grade did I get?" to "what skills have I mastered?" and "where am I going next?" A high-impact binder at PSJA has 4 essential sections. First, the tracker, for monitoring diagnostic growth. Second, learning goals. Third, proof of learning. This houses their actual artifacts from their stations. And fourth, reflection. This isn't a portfolio of best work. It is a living, breathing log of academic progress. Our primary data source for data-driven instruction is the iReady diagnostic. But we know data is useless if it stays locked inside a computer. We teach our students to physically color in their domain progress. Whether it's phonics, comprehension, or math, seeing those bars grow creates a psychological win that motivates students to work with purpose at their stations. Data without a goal is just a number. In our DDI routine, students set specific mastery targets. We want to move from vague statements like "I'm working on math" to "I will master 2-digit subtractions without regrouping." The binder anchors this specificity, turning data into a call to action for the student. How does the binder live in the classroom? It is a loop. A student finishes a must-do task at a station. They don't just turn it in. They stop to reflect. Does this work prove I met my goal? If yes, they file it as a proof section. This creates a clear bridge between daily station activities and overall academic growth. The most powerful minute in your classroom happens at the teacher-led station during a one-on-one data conference. Using the binder as the anchor, you review the proof together. You provide the real-time feedback that Dr. Caitlin Tucker champions, allowing students to adjust their learning path immediately based on evidence. Ownership looks different as students grow in our beginning stage. Particularly in elementary, we use tactile stickers charts and color bar graphs to make growth concrete. As we move to achieving stage, in secondary, binders often become digital dashboards where students analyze trends to advocate for specific may-do tasks they need. Our approach is backed by the TNTP blended core rubric. It asks, do all students demonstrate ownership over the process and progress of their learning? Data binders are the physical yes to this question. Research proves that when students track their own progress, engagement increases because they see the direct link between their effort and their results. As you implement binders this week, look for these signs of success. Can students find their binder in under 30 seconds? Can they explain one goal and the data behind it? Is the tracker updated? And is their current station work inside? If you see these things, you are successfully fostering student-owned instruction. Data binders are the bridge to truly personalized environment. In our final foundation session, we will look at how to design the authentic activities, that fill these binders. Check the video description for PSJ binder templates and reflection logs. Let's keep making growth visible. Together, we're building a student-centered future at PSJ ISD.